Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another recipe and that is soya sauce chicken. This recipe is easy to make and delicious to eat. So without wasting time, let's start the recipe. Before that, take a moment and have a look on the ingredients to make this recipe. So first we need a kadai. In that, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on medium flame. Once the oil is heated, I am going to add for about 8 to 10 chopped garlic cloves. Saute for few seconds. Next, we will add 1 chopped green chili, half chopped capsicum and 1 finely chopped onion. Fry for 2 minutes. Now let's put the well cleaned and washed chicken in it. Here I have half kilo of chicken. Mix it well. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder. If you want more spicy, you can add it 1 tablespoon. Half tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder or jeera powder, and this is completely optional. Half tablespoon of garam masala powder, and one of the main ingredients in this recipe is black pepper powder. Here I have used 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Mix all the spices into the chicken. Now let's add some salt to it. Don't add too much of salt. We'll see later and we'll add. Next I am going to add 1/4 cup of dark soya sauce. Mix it well. Let the chicken cook well. Now cover and cook it in medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes, or cook the chicken till it is soft. And also keep checking in between. Let's check the chicken after 20 minutes. The chicken is cooked well. The oil from the chicken is also released. Lastly, I am going to add handful of finely chopped coriander leaves. Give a quick mix. Now the delicious and tasty chicken is ready. Try this at home and do let me know how it came out. If you like this recipe, please share with your friends and family. And do not forget to give a like, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.